This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Jupiter model. Water views. Open floor plan with 2 stories. Foyer and loft area, dining room, open kitchen fit for a home chef, featuring high-quality cabinetry, quartz counters and stainless steel appliances. Large master suite with walk-in closet. Master bath has large tiled shower and quartz vanity top. Spacious laundry room, ceiling fans in master and family room. Laminate floors throughout second floor. Award-winning builder with over 30 years of experience in the home building business. All houses built by this builder come with a home warranty. Near malls, interstate, downtown Norfolk, you name it. Ask your agent about closing assistance.